Hello, this is apple season. I usually make apple pies, but this time I decided to make something different I haven't done before. Then I decided to make apple cinnamon rolls. I'm so excited. The ingredients for the bread are bread flour, dry yeast, salt, skimmed milk powder, butter, beaten egg, sugar, and warm water. The ingredients for the cinnamon pastes are granulated sugar, almond powder, milk, and cinnamon powder. Then, the ingredients for the apple fillings are apples, dried raisins, granulated sugar, and lemon juice. Bread flour, powdered skimmed milk, and salt. Mix together. Brown sugar, beaten egg, water mix yeast, mix with a card. When it got together, use your hand to knead it. When it got together, take out from the bowl. You keep kneading. 80% of making this cinnamon roll is actually kneading. It's actually fun. I love this feeling of kneading. Put butter in the dough. Still keep kneading. While I'm kneading, just pray it's gonna be delicious. Yum yum. And sometimes you throw it out. Just keep going. Be careful not to break anything. When the dough gets nice and shiny, make a round shape and put it in a bowl. And leave it in 30 degrees for fermentation for about 1 hour. Meanwhile, making the fillings with the apples. Add dried raisins. Then sugar. In couple times. When it's really cooked, turn the heat off. Then add lemon juice. That's it. Next, making the cinnamon paste. Put all the ingredients in a bowl. Mix it really well. That's it. After 1 hour, you check the dough out with your finger. When the hole doesn't come back, it's ready. And you just roughly knead it. And again, make a round shape for another fermentation for about 20 minutes. Now you knead it again. Then make a flat with a rolling pin. Until it gets 20 by 36 centimeters. You lay out the cinnamon paste. And the apple fillings evenly. Finally, roll it up. Just to make sure, close it properly by pinching. And cut it into 6. I'm just going to use this oil paper for baking. But before I bake it, again, leave it in about 30 Celsius for fermentation for about half an hour. When it's ready, brush beaten eggs on top. Then, finally, bake it with 200 Celsius for 18 minutes. Just before you enjoy it, decorate with icing sugar. It would be really pretty. Itadakimasu. I think it was a really good job as a first time. Wow, I've done it. I'm just so happy with these cinnamon rolls. It was actually easier than I thought it would be, so I think you can make it really easily. I love apple pies, but this is something different, which you can enjoy as well. The bread is just so soft, which I really love, and the apple filling makes me so happy. I love this taste. Anyway, so thank you for watching. See you. Bye.